Okay, so this is a short video on an hour of coding, but it's had a slight Harry Potter impact onto it, and I know some of you like that, so I thought if you were really into this, then you can have a go. Now, what you've got as you scroll down are different coding lessons associated with different spells from the books. So you've got Levitate a Feather, Bertie Bott's Every Flavour Bean, Create a Fireworks that with a whiz and a bang, and then we've also got Play Music and Control the Flying Car. So let's start off at the beginning, and we've got Levitate a Feather even. So here we go. Click on Levitate a feather. Goodness gracious me. I really need to put my teeth in this morning. So here we go. We've got the first, and this is what we're looking at here. So it says here challenge, and you can see just here, this particular system always gives you a bit of a flash. It's quite an easy system to use, very, very straightforward. The other one I posted, that one's quite good with videos, but there's a lot of information and it looks a lot more like coding activities you will see elsewhere. So let's click on this one. And it says use a when app starts block to run code as soon as the app starts. So we can see it's flashing here. So we click on that. Now this is called a block. So when they talk about using a block, that's what we've got. And we click on it and we drag it down. And then here we go. Use an objects create block to add objects to the canvas. So we click on objects create. Right, so this is an objects create block. So if you put this block in, it will create an object in your computer program. So we want to create, I think it said create an owl. So we're going to move that down, and that has to link in like a building block there. And that says change owl to feather. So we click on owl, and we can see this is quite handily alphabetized. So let's go through the A's. We want, I think they said feather, didn't they? Down, 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 down. There's a lot here. Here we are, feather. So there we go. And there you go. It's a bit easier for you to see there. All right, now we've done that. It says objects. Okay, now it wants us to drag that down. So I'm going to drag that and slot that into place. Change pin to freeze so the object stays still. So here we zoom in. It says pin. It's showing me. Although the flashing seems to be more in the way for me. Pin, and I want freeze. There we go. And use an every second block. Now, an every second block tells you how long your computer program is going to do something. So it's a block, and it literally pops everything in and gives it a time. So I've popped mine into the middle because you can see it goes round. And because it goes round, it wants you to insert things into the middle. So connect it to this block. So I've done that wrong. So I will go around, I will collect it to that block. I move it back to how I was. There you go. And now it's happy. So you can see there that if you get something wrong, don't panic. It will give you a helping hand here. Change to milliseconds. And it says now set the position of the feather using the set position box. So we move over to here where it's flashing. And it says here, object set position of. Move it down. It's telling me where to pop it. There you go. Add a mouse part. So add parts. Add mouse. Mouse. Okay. And it's telling me where to drop. I'm going to pop it there. Open the mouse tray. Back here, drag this block over into the code space. Here we are. Add a speaker. So I go over to here. Speaker. Speaker now appears here. Drag. Oh, that sounds good. Down to here. And we have a lot of noise there. And if you pop it in the wrong space, that's what it sounds like. But if you pop it in the right place, it sounds a lot better. Okay. So we've got change wand cast to wand loop. So we've got looper wand cast. Change that there. I think it said change wand cast to wand loop. There we are. Move your mouse over the canvas and watch the feather to match your movements. Okay, next challenge. So that is a very brief introduction on how to use that. There are different challenges for you to do. You can take your time, you can change around with it, add more to it as you go along, but it is quite an easy system to use. Once you're used to it, you can get a lot more out of it, and really it's just about having a bit of fun with it.